everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are running the Kraton at a track. Alright, so this is probably the biggest car I would run at an RC track like this. We're gonna see, can the little 4S here handle? Oh, wait a minute. Steering's reversed. This is the first time I've driven this with this remote. So let's see. There we go. Whoa. See, this one got a bit of power. So let's see if we can handle the track with the 4S power. Damn, I cannot see where my damn RCs are. Yeah, this thing's a little too big for this. And oh my god, wow. Yeah, this is, well, yeah, it's damn near as wide as the track. I think for this you'd probably want a faster servo maybe. Wow, this thing is hard to drive through here. Jeez. Yeah, I guess it would really depend on your track, where you're at. I think it's just a little too big for here. Yeah. I need to get it over there to the skate park. Ah, man. I think this is gonna be a short, very short video, because I mean, it's a fairly fast servo as it is. I had somebody asking me about it. I mean, not the fastest, but I think, and I've said this before, the turning radius on this thing is not like the best. So it really, and before somebody says something about endpoints, I swear, the wheels can only turn but so far. The only way setting endpoints is going to help you is if you're not getting full travel out of stuff, and this thing is pretty much racking into itself. So, you know, the servo gets stuck and stuff's banging into each other. Not too much you could do about it. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that was a good jump. And then I did that. Oh. So can it be done? Yeah, I'm not that good at running tracks. Not something I do often, but it's another reason I'm out here. Get some practice. This really teaches you good steering and throttle control. Come out of turn, get on the gas, brake. Oh man. You definitely cannot take advantage of the speed you got here. I think probably be fine to run just a 3S pack out here. And honestly, I really came out here to do more bashing than this, but I'm waiting for these kids to thin out at the skate park. I'm hoping. Golly, how long could you sit there and skate? Ooh. Oh, that was a good jump. What? Anytime I try to get some speed on this thing, all right, executed that nicely. I'm not going to say that you can't run this on a track. For me, I'm struggling with it. I'm pretty sure that they don't hold races with this large of a vehicle out here, because having two of these too wide, I don't think it's going to happen. Really don't think that's going to happen. Woo. All right, everyone. Guess I probably just sit here and practice this. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed a little look here at the Kraton, doing this thing here at the track. If I had a better driver, maybe it would do a little better. I don't know. It is fun though. It doesn't help that I still got that front diff issue, it being dry, so it's not pulling that front end around like it should. But you know, this wasn't built as a track racer. Like I said, I think it's a little bit too big for it, but all right, everyone, well, hope you enjoyed the Kraton 4S on a RC track. Oh, golly, you can see what a bad driver can do with this. All right, everyone, I appreciate you watching, appreciate the support. Subscribe if you haven't. Check out the links down below, got you some cool discounts and some stuff and good ways of helping the channel. Till next time, man, get a battery in your car, go out, run it, have some fun. Thanks for watching, hope to see you on the next one.